Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, I am Charla, and if you are not, welcome back girl, welcome back. If you are not a member of the Pink family, make sure you subscribe and like this video to see more pink girly vids. And yeah, so in today's video I am going to be doing an unboxing. So I was supposed to do this unboxing, well, this package barely came to my house, but I was supposed to get this package in November for Black Friday, but yeah, this barely came in the mail 2 days ago, yesterday. So we are going to be unboxing it now for Christmas, so it's kind of like Merry Christmas to me but late birthday present. So if you guys don't know, I do get luxury bags that are not authentic. I have both. I have authentic and non-authentic, but this unboxing is going to be non-authentic, so if you guys are a little offended by it, I'll give you a chance to click off now. Okay. Okay, now that everyone else is gone, I got 2 bags, and this is from the same place that I always get my non-authentic bags from. So if you guys want the link to the seller, just message me on Instagram. I will be posting them on my stories too. In case I don't answer, you guys can just check out my stories and I will have them tagged. But I have not opened the box yet. I just opened the top to make sure it wasn't going to be a hassle for me to take out, but as you can see, we've got Chanel in there. Go ahead and take out the boxes at the top. It's a pretty big sized box, as you can see, and I'm gonna take out the bottom one. Oh my god, it's kind of hard to take out. I damaged the box a little bit, but it's okay as long as what's inside it comes out looking good. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the boxes. Okay, so first bag I'm going to unbox is the Chanel box. So yeah, it just comes in the box like this with the ribbon. We're gonna go ahead and take the ribbon off, and here we go. Let me open this baby up. I'm so excited because I picked out these bags months ago, like at the end of October, I think. So I have been waiting for these bags for a long time. So I'm so excited to be opening them here with you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the box. So here is the tissue paper, and here is the bag. I'm super excited to see this. Okay, so let's put this box on the floor. You guys ready to see this baby? I'm excited too. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. I gotta zoom in. I gotta zoom in. Zoom in. I'm like, I gotta zoom in so you guys can see this. Oh my god. This bag is so beautiful, so perfect for the winter time, and this is just a beautiful bag. So again, this is what she looks like. Kind of like a nude tone bag, but it does definitely have like a hint of pink. It's like a very warm toned pink. Well, not warm toned, but it's like I would say it's a cool toned pink, but it's very nudie. Like this could be paired with anything. Not that good when it comes to describing colors, you know, because I'm not like a professional. I'll just show you guys once I take this wrapping out. Oh, it is so pretty, and it is the perfect size. I am very picky when it comes to the size of my bags, because if it is too large, I will most likely not use it, and if it is too small, I will most likely not use it. I don't know if you guys are the same, but my bags have to be like just that perfect size, and I think you guys notice too, because a lot of my bags that are like too big like mainly just hang out on my shelves, and then bags that are too small just hang out on my shelves, but I just like to have them there for decoration. A perfect size bag, so I have a feeling that I'm going to be using this a lot, especially now that it's the winter time. So here is what the bag looks like. I think it is so beautiful. This is perfect to pair it with black outfits, white outfits, pink outfits. Of course it would have to be like a cool toned pink like this sweater I'm wearing right now. It is a like baby pink. I feel like this goes perfect with it. I'm excited to see how the inside looks. I'm also very picky with how bags look on the inside, because if the bag on the inside isn't as cute as it is on the outside, I will not use it either. And I don't know why I'm not like that. Like last year I did an unboxing of buying some Coach bags. I don't know if you guys had saw that video. The bags were beautiful, but the inside of one of the bags was red, and I ended up not using that bag for that reason, and I ended up selling it. So yeah, I'm very picky. Like there's been so many pretty bags that LV or Chanel have come out with, and I wanted to get them so bad, but the inside was red, so I just can't like look past the red. Like I don't hate red, I actually like red. I just don't like my purses to be red. Like I don't know, maybe I could own an all red bag, but I don't have that much red in my wardrobe. I probably have like 2 things that are red, and maybe not even. You can see it here in the description. I'm gonna show it to you guys. See if it wants to focus. Okay, so you see right here, like that is the description. It just says gold, but if you see the color palette, it's like a very cool toned pink. See what the inside looks like. So let me go ahead and open it up, and let me take this paper out. So the inside of the bag is the exact same color of the outside of the bag, so it is not red, so I'm very happy about that. So this is what the inside looks like. I'm going to give you an example with a pink bag that I have here. As you can see, you see how this one is more purpley, but it's not exactly purple, it's just more on the nude. You can use it as a crossbody. The only thing that I did just notice is that the strap is kind of short. Well, it does hit at my hip, but I would have liked to throw it across my body. So it's not long enough to throw across my body. I would just have to carry it on my shoulder like this. Or you also have the option to carry the 2 little handles on the crook of your arm like this, which is probably what I will end up doing too. And then the back part here has a little back pocket. You could stick your keys. I'm not sure if your phone could slide back here. It could, but just when you're shopping and you don't want to put your phone in your purse, you can just slide it back there and it should stay. Really like this bag. This is so cute. Now that we're in the fall, winter, I'm starting to get more into nude clothing, so I wanted a bag that like would match with that. So that is why I got this one, and I'm so in love with it. So if you guys want the exact link to this bag, just message me on Instagram, and you could also find it on my stories. I will be posting about it by the time you guys see this video. So yeah, she's cute. Let me know your guys' thoughts on this bag. So let's go ahead and open the other one. Okay, so now let's open up the Dior bag, and I am super excited for this one because this one is supposed to be very pink, so I'm excited to open this one. So this bag came out a very long time ago, but I could never get a hold of this specific bag because I did get this bag from a different seller, and when it came in, the color was not what the color was supposed to be in the photos. Like the color was completely off, so I was so upset and I couldn't return it. So I ended up reselling it, and I didn't think I was ever going to try and repurchase the bag again, but the place that I currently go through now ended up getting this bag, and their pictures looked exactly like the color of the bag that I was wanting back then. So I am really hoping that the pictures look exactly like the bag, and if it does, I'm going to scream. If it doesn't, then I'm going to scream. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this ribbon off, and okay. Oh my god, I'm like praying. I'm nervous, I'm so nervous. I'm nervous, you guys, because I'm really hoping that it is the color that I wanted for so long. So let's say a little prayer, bag gods, please let this bag be the color that I wanted in my head. Okay, I'm gonna close my eyes so you guys can see it first before I do, so please don't disappoint me. Okay, I'm gonna close my eyes. Ready? Okay, the paper you guys can't even see. Let me find the scissors. My fingers are getting stuck in these scissors. You guys, it's not the color. Okay, so I'm gonna show you pictures of how they post them on their website. I don't know, I've seen girls like unbox these on their YouTubes, like the actual ones, like the authentic ones, and it is definitely a brighter pink than this. And then even on the box, as you can see here, like look how much more pink it is on the box. Like I will put clips of the pictures here of like how much more of a pink it is supposed to be. Like it is supposed to be like this pink, and it is definitely not that pink. It is like a more of a nude. Like this is definitely, it's more on the nude side than the pink side. Honestly, it is very, very pretty. Now I have two nude colored bags that I can wear with any outfit. I was really hoping for the color that was in the pictures. In all fairness, this is a very good quality bag, and it is way better than the color of the bag that I had gotten last time. I don't even know if I saw videos of that bag, but that bag, it was kind of like a dark, almost red toned bag. Like it looked more red, and it was way darker than this. So this is definitely prettier and better quality than the bag that I had gotten in the past. It is just not the shade of pink that I have been trying to get. It's such a beautiful bag. It is just not the color pink that I was excited for. So I am a little sad, I'm a little disappointed, but I do still think that this is a beautiful bag. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off the plastic off the handles. I don't even know if the box, it doesn't say the color on the box, but it does say beige on the bag. So this is definitely a beige bag. It is like a pinky beige. But maybe the seller just had a mix-up and gave me the wrong color bag. I'm gonna check on her website and see if she has this color and the pink, like if she has two colors. Maybe she just accidentally gave me this one. I do really like it. It is very pretty. It is the inside, so it is one big pocket, which I really like this. A lot could fit in this bag. It has a compartment here, and then it does have another zip compartment here. Definitely fit way much more in here than you could in the other one that I showed you. So this is definitely more of a medium-sized bag, and the other one is a small sized bag. So I really do like what you can fit, what you can put in here. I like that the flap, you just literally flap it in, so it's like easy access. I do like that the hardware is rose gold. I think that is very pretty. As the hardware is rose gold, I feel like it just gives that perfect touch, and it does give a more pink look to this bag, even though it is beige like it says on the tag. Let me know what you guys think. I like that it does have feet at the bottom so that it stands by itself. I hate bags that don't stand by themselves, so that is a plus. And then it does come with the little Dior keychain. So here is the crossbody strap. And ooh, the strap is actually really pretty. So here's how the strap looks. Very good quality. It's very nice and thick. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the bag. So let me put it on. So here is how the bag looks, and you could also like get your own chain if you want to get, because this is more like of, how do you say it, like it's like not dressy, it's more of a casual style bag because of the strap. Like it just makes it more casual. But if you want to make it more dressy, you could easily just get a rose gold chain on Amazon. I do have a chain, but it's gold. I need to order a rose gold one. You can get a rose gold chain on Amazon, and then you can instantly make it into a dressier bag. But this is supposed to be more of a casual laid back bag, but I don't like that I can only put this across my shoulder. On my shoulder, I can't put it like across, like in here, which is what I'm more into. Be comfortable so that if the bag is heavy, it's not going to put a strain on my shoulder. This is the other little Dior bag that I've had this since last year, and as you can see the size difference, this one is definitely smaller. And this one does have gold hardware, but this one is definitely a lighter tone. The inside is pretty much the same, but like I said, I ended up getting a just gold chain for it because I wanted it to look more dressy, and it's definitely longer so I could put it across my shoulder. So that's probably what I'll end up doing for this bag. I'm just gonna look for a rose gold chain and put it across my shoulder. So I just checked on her website, and I think she did send me the wrong color. Bag that I had sent her a picture of, it has gold hardware, not rose gold, and you can just definitely tell that the pink is like way more of a peachy pink. So this is what, sorry, my phone is dirty, let me clean it really quick. So this is right here. So this is what I sent her. This is the picture that she had on her website, and this is the picture I screenshotted and sent her. And then this is the bag that she sent me. So I do think that she sent me the wrong color. So I'm actually really sad because that is the one that I like really wanted. So I'm going to message her and see if she will send me the right one. And if she does agree to send me the right one, then maybe I could put this bag in a Christmas giveaway, and the rules will be like just to follow her. I'm not saying like that's what we're gonna do right now. I have to ask her. Keep you guys updated and let you know what she says. Maybe we can do a little giveaway with this bag. That's everything for this video, you guys. Let me know which one was your favorite. I am still so obsessed with this one. I think this one is just so cute. It's very beautiful too. It is just not the pink that I was hoping for. But anyways, yeah, that is the bags, and let me know if you guys want me to do an updated bag collection, or bags that I wouldn't repurchase, or bags that I think you guys need or should save up for, or should get the dupe and not the real one. Like, let me know what you guys think about those suggestions. But yeah, that was it for this video, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed seeing me get excited and then sad. But it's okay, I really ended up liking them overall. So yeah, you guys, that was it for this video. So I'll talk to you guys in the next one. I love you so much. See you guys next time. Bye.